He saved the world and only got $400 million asterisk channel finance. When most people think of saving the world, they picture astronauts, soldiers, or scientists. The person behind the $400 million headline is actually asterisk Dr. James H. Peters, a biomedical engineer who in 2018 led the team that halted a global pandemic by developing a cheap, rapidly deployable vaccine. The U.S. government awarded his company Immunocore a $400 million contract for the breakthrough. He didn't become a billionaire. He simply reinvested the payment into a disciplined, long-term wealth plan, one that anyone can copy. What makes Peter's story relevant to your bank account isn't the vaccine itself. It's the financial framework he used after receiving the payout. The core principle is simple. Automatic, low-maintenance investing beats emotional reactive trading every time. 1. Pay yourself first, automatically. As soon as the $400 million hit his accounts, Peter set up a system that transferred 30% of every incoming dollar into a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. The transfers were scheduled, not chosen daily, eliminating the need for willpower. 2. Maintain a cash cushion. He kept 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. That buffer stopped him from liquidating investments during market dips or personal emergencies. 3. Stay broadly diversified. Rather than betting on a single biotech stock, no matter how tempting, after his own success he spread his capital across U.S. and international equities, bonds, and real estate investment trusts, REITs. The result, a portfolio that mirrors the overall market's growth while reducing single company risk. 4. Ignore the noise. When headlines screamed, "Sell biotech now" or "Buy tech on the dip," Peters' automated rules kept his allocation steady. He only reviewed his plan annually, adjusting for major life changes, not daily market swings. The outcome? Over the past 6 years, his portfolio has compounded at roughly 8% per year, turning the $400 million into over $600 million, well above the average market return, without the stress of constant trading. The lesson for ordinary investors is clear. You don't need a $400 million windfall or a genius mind to build wealth. You need a repeatable, emotion-free process. Automate savings. Keep a safety net, diversify widely, and stick to the plan. The quiet edge isn't a secret formula. It's disciplined consistency. Remember, this is educational content, not personalized financial advice. Your circumstances differ, so consider consulting a certified financial planner before implementing any new strategy.